What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video, man. It is actually the next day from when I recorded the last video of me dropping the car off to get the bumper put on, and the car's already done. So I'm actually headed right now to go pick up the car. We are still in the Kia for now. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up the car right now. I'm actually gonna be headed there here just in a couple minutes. So we're gonna see how it looks. So I actually changed of plans. I did not pick up the car today. I actually left it with them. They're gonna try to redo the wrap that's on the car, kind of switching it up, so y'all will see tomorrow. It should be ready by tomorrow. I just decided to leave it there with them. I didn't want to have to pick it up and then go take it back to them just to get it redone again. So yeah, we're just gonna pick it up tomorrow. Everything looks good though. I was able to look at the car, so it looks great. Can't wait for y'all to see it. All right, YouTube, so it is actually the next day, and I just got back to the house, so now we are getting ready to head over and get the car. I can't wait for y'all to see it. It looks amazing. They showed me a picture of it earlier today, so we're gonna head over there and get this car picked up. All right, y'all, so it is actually a couple days later. I have not been able to pick up the camera just because I've been so busy with a couple things, but I was able to get the car cleaned while I've been gone. And yeah, the car looks so sick. I'm gonna just show y'all, yeah. Check this out, y'all. This is so sick. And obviously, y'all know that gap is gonna be gone whenever I get the exhaust put on. But man, does the bumper look sick on the car, man. Looks so sick. It changes the whole entire way the back end looks. But yeah, I'm super proud of it. It looks super nice. One thing that is kind of bothering me is the new gap. The gap is bigger right here. You can't really notice it whenever you're looking from afar, like if you're just looking at the car, but if you're actually paying attention to it, you would actually notice, like, oh yeah, it's a gap right there. But yeah, that's the only thing that's kind of bugging me. It's pretty clean right here. It's just whenever it gets back here, the gap gets pretty big. But yeah, it's not really too noticeable if you're just looking at the car. That is not the only thing that I got done to the car while I had it dropped off, and I'm sure I already told y'all, but I got the wrap redone, so it's no more carbon fiber. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Check out the new wrap on the hood, man. It is satin black. It just makes the car look way more menacing. I'd matched the mirrors with it as well, so the mirrors are satin black as well. That's a little dirt on it because I've been driving, but super sick. Makes the car look way different as well. I was kind of questioning how the satin black would look on the car just because I didn't know if the two blacks were going to clash since the car is black itself, but I think it turned out great. It looks so sick. Yeah, and it just changes the whole way the front end of the car looks. So I got a makeover in the front end and in the rear end. So I don't know if I told y'all this in the vlog, but a rock hit my fog light, so I need to replace this as well. The car just looks super sick right now. I'm super happy with how it looks right now. And yeah, there's only a couple more things left, and this car is gonna be, it's actually a lot of things left that I gotta do, but the car right now just looks super sick. I'm super happy with it. The next thing though for this car is definitely gonna be the exhaust. We definitely need to get that done. So I have the headers already, if y'all don't know, but I need to order the muffler for this car, and then I'm gonna take it to my mechanic to have it welded up and whatnot. So yeah, man, this car is gonna be looking good and sounding good too. It's gonna be a pretty exciting summer for this car just because we're gonna be coming to a closing with this build, man. I mean, it's a bunch of small stuff that I still want to do to the car, like just to continue to have stuff going. But pretty soon here, we're gonna need a new project car. We're gonna need a new build. So Do I get another BMW? Who knows? But yeah, I'm just super happy. I'm just super happy with it right now. The car just looks super sick. Only other thing that I probably would do, obviously, is lower it, and then I might do a new wheel setup. But y'all let me know in the comments if I should keep these wheels. Obviously, I'm gonna keep them, but like if I should run these wheels or if I should get another set and throw those on there. Because I think these are the best E39 wheels. Let me know if I should keep the black on black or if I should go different and switch it up. But yeah, super proud of how the car looks right now. And yeah, hopefully y'all stay tuned for this whole build process because it's gonna be so sick, and I cannot wait to get it done. But yeah, appreciate y'all so much for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And I appreciate all the new subs, man. I've been seeing the new subs coming in, all the new viewers as well. Appreciate y'all so much. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.